Audio CD 2, Track 45, Part C, Listening for It.
A guide helps the tourist with his travel plans. I'm curious to know more about the Tongue Blossom Festival. How can I take part?
Well, we have an itinerary that starts out from the Shimun Dam at 9 o'clock. We leave from the Amuping Pier by boat. You'll be able to see the tongue trees that overlook the water.
How about food? Will we eat Hokkien food?
Yes, at a traditional restaurant at Longchu Bay. The view is quite nice.
Sounds good. Is that it?
No, after lunch, we'll head to Neiwan, a Hakka village. I'm sure you'll be interested in trying some local delicacies, such as rice dumplings wrapped in wild ginger flower leaves and Hokkien tea.
Great. I love to eat, so sign me up.